All right, guys, here's my 2023 Supra manual Stratosphere Blue. I just took this thing off the lot 2 days ago. I was gonna say that I was gonna do my first mod, but in the dealership I actually installed these right here. And if you know about the Mark V Supras, they're pretty much impossible to drive past 40 miles per hour with the windows down. Yeah, it just sounds like there's a helicopter landing on top of your car. So if you look at these close, they're a little sunburnt because I took them off my 2021 Supra, and if I need to replace them, it's no big deal, but they're gonna have to do for now. So on my 2021 Supra, I put that Street Hunter spoiler, which was cool. Like, everyone liked it. I always got compliments about that spoiler. I had it on the car for about 2 years and I got tired of it. So with this one, I'm gonna go with the 891 edition style duckbill spoiler, carbon fiber. So I've done this on another car years ago and I screwed it up really bad. It was misaligned, and then I went to peel it back and I messed up the paint. I've done the research, I know the method. It's not hard, so I'm going to do this the right way. So let's just sit it there. All right, it actually holds just sitting. It's OEM style. It's not an OEM spoiler. I actually got it off eBay, but it's really high quality. Like, I examined it and the carbon is laid perfectly, like nothing's crooked. The clear coat doesn't have any runs or like high spots, anything like that. So I really like this and I don't think I'll get tired of it. So all right, cool, let's get into it. First things first, this car has never had a wash, so it's a little dusty just from the drive home from the dealer, but I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that with alcohol, a prep pad. Oh, did I mention my car is manual, by the way? All right, here we go. Ooh. Just getting any dust, debris, fingerprints off. All right. All right, looks good. So the next thing we're gonna do is lay the spoiler, and then we're gonna put masking tape around the edges and make little markings. I did not do that last time, and that's why when I went to stick it, it was crooked. Not by much, it was off by like probably 1/4 of an inch, but yeah, it drove me crazy. And then the next day I tried to peel it off and forget it, I destroyed the hatch. All right. Yeah, what I like about this spoiler is there's really not any guesswork in where it needs to lay, because it's OEM style, so it just fits right in the groove and it's good to go. Yeah, there's really no room for mistake in this one. All right, cool. All right. I do not want to screw this up. That looks good to me. I mean, it's snug right there. It's not moving. All right. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape this up now. I'm gonna do like 8 or 10 inch strips. Probably could have went a little shorter, but that's fine. Break that sucker in half. in a public parking lot right now, by the way. So don't be surprised if some random person comes up to me and starts giving me compliments or inquiring about the car, or yelling nice BMW. All right, cool. I'm taking my time with this. I'm gonna get this shit perfect. Yeah. All right, looking good. I think that's good. Yeah, something like that. All right. I mean, this is just for a reference. All right, looks good. Let me do the other side. All right, cool. Make sure it didn't move. No, that's good. That's good right there. Go this way. All right. That's probably good right there. At this point, I think I'm just getting a little obsessive about it. All right, that's fine. And I'm gonna go do some over here too, in the middle. All right, so now I'm going to take a Sharpie and just mark where the center of all the edges are and the center of the spoiler. Okay, there it is. All right, let me just make sure this is seated properly one more time. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Yep. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And we're just gonna eye this. I think something did shift while I was doing this, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave the tape where it's at. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, bottom. Yeah, I don't think it needs to go back that more, just enough to grab it. That's probably good right there. Okay. Then we're gonna have to do this side. All right. So you want this sticking out so you can grab it. And we have 3. One there, one there. Alright, cool. I'm gonna lay this sucker. Alright. Alright, cool. Looks good right there. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stick it. Oh, look at that, I didn't leave. Oh, I got it, I got it. Okay, cool. So we're gonna do the front. Make sure that's still available. Alright, I'm not putting a crazy amount of pressure. Not right now. We're gonna get the front stuck, line this guy up. That looks pretty good. Alright, so the front adhesive is stuck enough to hold. And we're gonna go home and go ahead and peel this. Alright. Beautiful. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh no, that's good, that's good. That's where that hole was, where it ended. Okay. This is the last one right here. I almost screwed it up. All right, we are looking good. If this breaks, that could be a tragedy, but it's coming along. Yeah, all right. We are looking good. All right, done. All right, go ahead and take this off. I didn't really need the center, it's really the edges that matter. But with this spoiler, made it really easy because it literally just fits right in. I had another one that was it was like the M style, like BMW style. It's like, I forget what they call it, but it's more pointy over there. That's the one I screwed up because it didn't lay right, and it didn't sit without holding it down. So I think that's why I screwed that one up. I have no fingernails, by the way. Okay, maybe this side. All right, tape right there. All right. Okay, so now. All right. All right. You're good. That is on there. All right. I like it. I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely hit me up. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle down in the comment section, but definitely give me a follow and shoot me a DM. I'll respond. I want all the interaction. Every time I do something, I want to get the feedback and see what you guys think. We'll do some polls. We'll have some fun with it. So yeah, here's my first mod. Well, second. This is my first right here. But yeah, I have a lot planned with this car. It's gonna be really exciting. I had a 2021 before this and I bought a bunch of performance parts, but I never installed them. Because when they announced this car, I was like, damn, I gotta have the manual, right? So luckily, all those parts that I bought fit on this car. So we're gonna get busy soon. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and reach out. Thanks, guys.